What's the answer to this? 5 plus 2 times 3. Is it 21 or 15 or maybe 11? To answer correctly, we must know the right order of mathematical operations. In math, we follow a specific order of operations, PEMDAS or BODMAS in some places. It tells us how to correctly solve expressions. Where in BODMAS, P refers to parentheses, E refers to exponents, MD refers to multiplication and division from left to right, AS refers to addition and subtraction from left to right. Where in BODMAS, B refers to brackets, which is the same as parentheses. O refers to other operations such as exponents. DM refers to division and multiplication from left to right. AS refers to addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's try. 5 plus 2 times 3. Remember, multiplication comes before addition. So first, 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 5 plus 6 equals 11. Got it? Let's solve another one. Open parentheses, 4 plus 5. Close parentheses, times 2. Remember, parentheses first. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 9 times 2 is 18. Now your turn. Open parentheses, 6 plus 2. Close parentheses, times 3 squared. Then divided by 2. Good. Parentheses first. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then exponent. 3 squared is 9. Multiplication. 8 times 9 equals 72. Finally division. Answer is 36. Here's a challenge. 8 plus, open parentheses, 6 divided by 2, times, open parentheses, 1 plus 2, close parentheses, close parentheses. Pause the video, solve it, and post your answer in the comments. We will pin the correct one. Remember, PEMDAS or BODMAS helps you solve problems correctly. Always go left to right for multiplication and division or addition and subtraction pairs. Thanks for watching.